Hi, today I will tell you how much money I've spent on 3D printing in the last year. I am Medic3D and I spent $1,375 on 3D printing in 2019. It is a lot, but I bought Prusa i3 Mark III's printer for $870. Now let's see some more details. These are all my spendings sorted by date. All prices are in US dollars, but I live in Poland. And in order to make it simpler, I converted all the prices. 1 zloty is equal to 0.26 USD. As you can see, there are 5 columns containing what I bought, where, price, category and date. There are 7 categories, each marked in different background color. The biggest spending is obviously the printer. Second is the filament and video equipment for recording my YouTube videos. As you can see, I've also spent some money on hardware for my printers. In total, $110. For $177 spent on filament, I bought 8 rolls of filament, which is about 6.35 kilo. That gives about $28 per kilo of filament. That's a lot, but all shipping costs are included. Let's see in which shops I've spent the most money. Obviously, it was the Prusa, because of buying the printer, but the second is Allegro, which is a Polish equivalent of Amazon, and the third is obviously Amazon. Without the printer and video equipment, I've spent in total $345 on my hobby, which is not so bad. Now let's see how much money I've earned on my hobby. I was using Amazon UK affiliate program, but my account was blocked because there were too little transactions made, so it is 0. For Amazon.com, no transactions so far was made, so it's also 0. On AliExpress I've made $18.54, which is great. What is the most amazing that $18.20 was made by a single transaction. Somebody bought Listen Delta printer. If you're watching this, thank you very much, I really appreciate it. I would like to thank all of the views and likes and special kudos for all my subscribers. You are the best! This year I will provide better value on my YouTube channel. I started by painting my workbench tabletop. It is already dirt and damaged by my next project, creating by hand frame for my N8A6 printer. I also plan to upgrade my Prusa enclosure and have some more exciting projects to come. So stick around and check my other videos.